That was quick. I'm the first one here today.
Joon!
Hi girls, good morning.
School's done early today. What's your afternoon plan, Joon?
I'm not sure. Nothing specific.
Joon, if you don't have any plans, do you want to come to my house? I live in a new place now. I have my own room too. I'll give you a tour of my house. Come to my place, Joon. It'll be really fun.
Oh, I didn't know you moved to a new place.
Well, just for your information, my place is much nicer than hers. Joon, I have my own shower. How about my place after school? I don't think so. Joon, you should come to mine. I have a puppy and a cat. They're so cute. Come play with my pets, Joon. Joon, you're coming to my new place, right? Elsa is probably gonna be there too. She's gonna be so happy to see you.
Guys, thanks for inviting me, but I actually want to go over to Mimi's place. Mimi, what are you doing after school today? You want to hang out at your place?
What? Mimi's? Huh? Oh, no, you're a guy. Boys are not allowed at my place. No way. Plus, I'm kind of busy after school. Sorry, Joon.
What?
Joon, her place is so sketchy. Yeah, she's embarrassed to show her place. That's why. I really want to invite Joon over, but if he sees where I live, he'll be really disappointed. I have nothing to show around. Joon, I hope I didn't hurt his feelings. Whatever. Hey, there's a vending machine. Let me get something to cheer me up. Let's see. Where's the money? Yes, here they are. What should I get? First, here's the drink.
좋아하는 음식을 고르세요. 새콤달콤 마를 땐 음료수.
$2.
하나, 둘.
Wow! I love this banana drink. Whoa! What's this? It's a house! It's got a nice garden and pretty entrance too! Let me go see inside. Wow! Nice bathroom and spacious bedroom! What a pretty kitchen! This is a dream house! I want to try something else this time. This time, snack.
새콤달콤 맛있는 과자 500원을 결제하고 버튼을 눌러주세요.
Oh, it's so expensive. This is my last $5. Alright, here we go.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯.
Wow! This time I got a Mimi's house! Gorgeous bedroom with closet and makeup table! Wow! This is a perfect house for me! This vending machine is so cool!
다이얼을 돌려.
Okay, last time. Let's choose the most expensive one.
달콤한 아이스크림 700원을 결제하고 버튼을 눌러주세요.
Oh, but I have no more money left. What should I do? I really want to try one more time. Yes, I think I have Mom's credit card. Oh, please forgive me, Mommy. I wonder what flavor ice cream I'm gonna get.
결제가 완료되었어요. 무슨 맛일까?
Chocolate ice cream. Let's see. Unbelievable. 2-story house? Wow! And it comes with the cutest dog ever! Alright, this is it. Wow! I haven't seen this house before. So pretty, right? I know, it's a 2-story house. Someone's got a lot of money. Yeah, I wonder who lives in this place. Got my hair done. Let's do a last touch-up. Oh, it's almost time for Joon to arrive.